So you see somebody is up there wasting. Esther, what are you doing there? Eh? You calm down. I don't like you going up there. Eh? It is risky. It's late. Yeah, and baby is going to keep seeing you climbing up. One day you'll see baby also climbing there and you will fall down. Eh? Yeah. Do you know that women don't climb up on the tree? Do you know? Why do you think women don't have to climb up? Why? Do you know any reason? That what? You're big. Auntie, you're big. So women, big girls are not allowed to climb up the tree. Do you know why? Why? Come and tell me.
Mommy.
Why do you think?
I want to go.
You go where Esther is. You think what? Yeah. You can play from down there, but don't climb up. Up is very risky. Today they are doing a deep cleaning and repair of my chicken house over there. Just follow me to King Annin. Brett, come out. So I want to be cleaning the compound here as they are working on the chicken house. Yeah, you know, it has been very difficult for me to clean that house because I had a lot of things stored in there. So I just wanted everything out and place it in another place. We keep a few chicken here just to give us some meat and some eggs, and also I don't like wasting my food, so whatever remains I'll always be giving to the chicken to eat, as the chicken gives me also meat and eggs. So guys, let's just continue watching, and I'm going to show you at the end of it all how the chicken house now looks before we do that cleaning, because it's just removing some of the, do I call them cages or what, we had partition, but we just want to create more space for easy cleaning. Okay. And also maybe to just take you back a bit, we used to keep chicks there, but now since we are keeping grown-up chicken, they need a little bit of more space compared to the chicks. The chicks would just be kept in those cages and then they'll be fed there and all that, but this chicken need to have a free space to play in and also to feed and also to make cleaning very easy for me. So guys, that is it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Like the video, share the video, and also leave me a comment down below. How do you feel about this content that I'm making? Otherwise, we are in a journey or a road to 1,000 subscribers and 4K watch hours. So guys, your presence here, you're watching my videos, really matters to me. Thank you very much. I appreciate you so much for supporting me. I'm really so glad. Yeah, let me give you a clear view of this bicycle. Yeah, this is the really African bicycle here. You know, it's getting a bit late and the lighting is becoming dim, so let me just show you. Over this side that you see here, there was a cage like that one. Yeah, let me just call that cages because I don't know what to call it now. So over here there was another cage like that. We have the downer section and then the upper section, and we used to keep there also chicks. So yeah, the gentleman who was working here, I told him to remove this part, to remove the cage that was here, and then leave only this one here. So we decided to leave this one with the doors and the wire mesh, just for chicken that will be laying. Yeah, so we can place inside there some nests for the birds to lay, and then over those ends, these open ones, yeah, the chicken will be sleeping up here, others can sleep there. You see, that place is really dirty. It's really very dirty here. So I need to organize now here, but at least it's now better. And I also want him to put a window over there. I want him to put a big window over there that I'll be using for aeration, for more aeration, and also for the chicken to pass through to access the other side, because I'm planning to enclose. Let me just show you there. You see this area here? I'm planning to enclose here, close up from that door to here. I'm creating just a wire mesh and then put over here, and then even over the other space it will be just a temporal wire mesh that we put, so that the chicken doesn't cross all over the compound, because this chicken can really darten the compound and also destroy the flowers. So yeah, I have some wire mesh here. I might choose this and add, and then close up there, and also close up the other extreme end. Then of course our window will be around here. From inside it will be here, and it will be a big one, so the chicken can just fly out and come and spend their time here. So that's the plan that I have. Otherwise, this house is much more easy for me to clean now. I can clean under, I can clean all over here, so I'll be the only one accessing it through this door. I'm just scared of sweeping here. Oh, you know guys, the dust that comes from there, yeah, that dust is so much. Yeah, so guys, let me go ahead and get a broom, clean up this place.